Welcome back. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at topics. You can create a topic whenever you create something else. So you create an assignment or you create a discussion or whatever, you can create a topic at that time. But what I like to do is create my topics ahead of time so that I just have them to choose from when I'm in there. And then I can be a little bit more mindful about what I want my topics to look like. So go ahead and create some topics here. When you hit the create button, you'll go to topic, and notice we are still in the classwork tab here. And when I click on topic, then I can just add topics in. So I already have the reflection topic because I can see it over here. So I'm going to add journal as another topic. So you just click and hit add. Let's see, I'm going to add discussion as a third topic. And note over here, they will go into alphabetical order automatically. I'm going to add quiz as a topic. And then over here, I will add exit ticket as a topic. So you can imagine what your topics might be according to what your content areas are and what your usual assignment types are for your classroom. Keep in mind too that with topics, not every topic has to be graded. Maybe some of these topics are just formative assessment types of things where I'm just checking in on where the students are in the learning process. But note then that all of these topics are here. And if I want to ever shift then to say, oh, what do all my quizzes look like? I can just click quiz. Now, I don't have any posted yet, but it would only show the quizzes that I had in here. Okay, so that's really the strength in having these topics and making sure that you're sort of building things that way, because then it makes a ton of sense towards actually organizing your Google Classroom. Thanks.